In light of the global target for a green industrial revolution by 2030, Royal Schiphol Group, along with strategic partner Compris, have achieved circular and sustainable asset management. Schiphol recently received the ISO 55001 certification, proving business excellence in asset management. We went to Europe's busiest airport to find out more.
At Schiphol Airport, long-term strategic business goals are planned with an in-depth understanding of the organisation's resources and their value. The partnership with Dutch asset management consultancy firm Compris put digitisation and sustainability at the heart of their new methodology. Schiphol is one of very few airports in the world to have been awarded the ISO 55001 certification. Global recognition that, with the help of Compris, Schiphol has reduced its environmental footprint and found an optimal balance between lower total cost of ownership, risk, asset performance and customer satisfaction. It was in baggage handling that Royal Schiphol Group achieved asset management maturity, addressing issues such as integration with other departments, automation and training of personnel. 53 kilometres of conveyor belts transport passengers' cases from check-in through security scanning safely onto the aircraft.
This is where the magic happens. Here we are, standing in the middle in the operations, below Terminal 3. And this is where the machinery does the work. That what you don't see is what we do. Taking along your luggage piece and making sure that it's traveling with you safe and secure on time on your aircraft. We are doing about 70 million bags a year, about 180,000 a day, with 1 million bag messages a minute. So it's an amazing amount. It's beyond clockwork.
Royal Schiphol Group is aiming to operate a circular economy by 2050 to reuse their assets over and again, changing from a take, make, waste mindset to realising that resources are finite, that the world and property must be respected, a holistic approach that's already reaped unexpected dividends.
A good example would be where we used biomimicry in the design of a warehouse. It has a facade with lovely colors. It's a translucent facade actually, and when the light comes on, then your warehouse looks like some kind of cathedral when you're inside. And we noticed that this is a warehouse where hardly ever is any damage. And in warehouses, people are in a hurry, they drive with forklifts and they're not really taking care, but somehow they respect the building and there's not much damage.
The long-term partnership of Compris with Schiphol Airport created a link between asset owner, contractors and stakeholders, a bespoke arrangement tailored to deliver the client's sustainable long-term goals, including optimal energy management under ISO 50001.
At this time, actually, Schiphol is the #1 airport again. And the only way you can do this if you have a mature asset management system. We are proud as Compris, as a strategic partner, that we actually helped the client in that complete journey over 15 years to actually improve to the standard that needed to be achieved to actually get the ISO 50001. For us, it's just getting that accreditation was just proof enough that what we do it in a good way.
The roadmap created by Schiphol with the help of Compris showed the airport where they were and how they could get to where they needed to be, and is now embedded into their strategic thinking, a shift in focus that looks to a more sustainable future.